Most reviews on Orgone Energy Motor tell you what it's supposed to do. I wanted to know what it actually does, so I put it through the matrix, broke down the mechanism, checked the components, looked at what real users are reporting. This is the review matrix. Here's what I found. Here's what's actually going on with household energy independence. Most people dealing with it aren't failing because they haven't tried. They're failing because the things they've tried only address high utility bills, not the real reason your power dependency keeps locking you in. That quiet frustration of doing everything right and still paying more every month, that's the gap Orgone Energy Motor is designed for. When I broke down how Orgone Energy Motor actually works, it targets ambient orgone capture directly, not just standard solar panel output. That's the distinction that matters. Most traditional backup generators work at the fuel combustion level, which is why you get recurring fueling costs and noise. This goes a layer deeper, utilizing Wilhelm Reich's historical accumulator design principles to draw free environmental energy, more targeted, less guesswork. Running through the key components, the alternating organic and metallic layer housing, this is the one that stood out most because it directly addresses continuous ambient energy collection without mechanical parts. Then the specialized core conduit configuration, which I hadn't seen formulated this way in this category before. And the compact assembly footprint, easy to overlook, but it's what makes the other two actually compound instead of cancel each other out. Based on the breakdown and what consistent users are reporting, early on, usually within week 1, most people notice initial energy output stability. That tends to build into noticeable grid draw reduction with consistency, and longer term, total off-grid supplemental power generation, the deeper change you secretly want. Not a straight line, but a clear direction. That's what the pattern shows. The protocol is simple. Follow the step-by-step blueprints to assemble the core accumulator unit. Fits into a weekend DIY routine without friction. The timeline most people report meaningful results, 3 to 4 weeks from build completion to active system integration. Not a disclaimer, just how cumulative energy collection mechanisms work. The first week is laying the foundation. The compounding kicks in after. One variable I always factor in, refund policy. Orgone Energy Motor comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. I treat that as a confidence metric. Companies don't offer real return windows on products they know underdeliver. It also means if it doesn't work for your situation, you're not absorbing the full risk. That's a relevant input. If the mechanism checks out for your situation and the problem I described is where you actually are, the link to the official page is in the description. Direct link, no resellers, no markup. Get the full package for $49. Go through it, cross-check what I've covered, and run your own matrix. You've got everything you need to decide. That's the full matrix on Orgone Energy Motor. Mechanism checked, features broken down, risk assessed. The call is yours.